Okay, the graph of linear function f has intercepts a0 and b0. Okay, I'm sorry, a0 and 0b. There we go. So it basically has an x-intercept and a y-intercept in the xy plane. Okay, we're told that if a plus b is equal to 0 and a is not equal to b. Okay, so if a plus b equals 0 and a isn't equal to b, which of the following is true about the slope? Okay. So basically what this means is that, well, obviously they can't be the same number, but more specifically this is here so that you can't say that the point is 0, 0, right? Because if you had a point at the origin, that would both be an x and a y intercept, but you can't have that because these values can't be equal. Okay. The critical thing here is that it's a plus b is equal to 0. So basically what that means is that the only way this can be the case if this isn't true is just because if one is like positive 2 and the other is negative 2, right? They're not equal. One is just a positive and the other is a negative. So let me just take that example. I think sort of thinking about this visually or graphically is best. Let's just grab a number. Let's just say 2. And how would this look? Well, if we grab number 2, that means this, for example, has to be 2 and this has to be negative 2. So that means our x-intercept is 2, 1, 2, and our y-intercept then has to be negative 2, right, in order to satisfy this condition. So 0, negative 2, so that's right here. So 0, 2 is 1, and 0, negative 2 is right here. Okay, so we have this line. And now you might object. You say, okay, well, hold on. Why can't you switch it around? You know, I just arbitrarily decided that this one's going to be 2 and this one's going to be negative 2. Why not the other way around? You can do it the other way around. And the critical point here and why I wanted to show this graphically is because if you flip it around, it's still the same. If you flip it around and say that this one's negative 2 and this one's positive 2, okay, well, so then, okay, our x intercept is negative 2, so 1, 2, and our y-intercept is positive 2, so 0, 1, 2, right? 1, 2, there we go. You'll notice that it's still the same exact slope. So, point being that either way you work and you can choose any two numbers, it's going to be the same either way. There's no way you can switch this pattern around. The point here is that it's a positive slope, which means it's answer choice A.